Hi, everyone. I'm Keith Bishop, cancer coach, clinical nutritionist, and retired pharmacist, and founder of Prevail Over Cancer and the Prevail Protocol. Today, we're talking about a food most people overlook, but the research says it deserves a place in your daily routine. Pumpkin seeds. Yes, the same seeds you might sprinkle on a salad or snack during the day. Emerging research shows they contain unique compounds with real anti-cancer potential. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through what's inside pumpkin seeds, what the lab studies show, and what human research tells us, and how to use them every day to support a healthier internal terrain. Let's get started. Why pumpkin seeds matter. Pumpkin seeds are not just a snack. They're a concentrated source of bioactive compounds. They contain lignans, phenylated compounds, tocopherols, which are forms of vitamin E, phytosterols, healthy fats, magnesium, zinc, and unique proteins, including the 2S-albumin fractions that researchers are closely monitoring. These compounds influence cancer biology in several ways. They help reduce oxidative stress, they calm inflammation, they support apoptosis, your body's natural process of eliminating cancer cells. They modulate hormone pathways, they support immune resilience, and they improve metabolic health. This combination makes pumpkin seeds one of the most underrated anti-cancer foods in your kitchen. Apoptosis and cancer activity. One of the most compelling findings comes from studies on pumpkin seed proteins, especially the 2S-albumin proteins. In laboratory cancer cell studies, these proteins have shown cytotoxic activity against triple-negative breast cancer cells. They've also shown activity against liver cancer cells in laboratory cancer cell studies. Why does this matter? Because triple-negative breast cancer is one of the most aggressive and difficult to treat subtypes. The fact that pumpkin seed proteins can trigger apoptosis, the normal programmed cell death of unhealthy cells, is a promising area of research that deserves more attention. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Phenylated compounds, tocopherols, and phytosterols all help reduce oxidative stress, a major driver of DNA damage and cancer initiation. Chronic inflammation is another key factor in cancer progression. Pumpkin seeds contain compounds that help calm inflammatory pathways and support a healthier internal environment. This combination, antioxidant protection plus anti-inflammatory reduction, is one of the reasons why pumpkin seeds also fit well into an anti-cancer nutrition plan. Population research, breast cancer. We also have some human population data. A large German case control study found that women with higher pumpkin seed intake had a lower risk of postmenopausal breast cancer. Researchers believe this may be due to lignans, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and possibly the 2S-albumin proteins. This doesn't mean pumpkin seeds are a treatment, but it does suggest they play a supportive role in a cancer preventative dietary pattern. Immune and metabolic support. Pumpkin seeds also support the immune system, which is essential for cancer defense. They're rich in magnesium, which supports DNA repair and immune function. They're rich in zinc, which is essential for T cell activity, and they contain healthy fats that support metabolic health and reduce chronic inflammation. Some studies even show that pumpkin seed proteins can improve glucose uptake and insulin signaling. And that matters because metabolic dysfunction is a major cancer risk factor. Serving size and practical use. So how much should you eat? A typical serving is 1 ounce, that's 28 grams, a quarter cup or half of a palm using my free downloadable Palm Rule for Cancer Foods guide that you can get in our Learning Center on our website. This serving provides about 150 calories, 7 grams of protein, and a dense package of minerals and antioxidants. Here are some easy ways to use pumpkin seeds daily. Add them to smoothies, sprinkle them on salads or roasted vegetables, mix them into oatmeal or yogurt, blend them into homemade seed butter, use them as a crunchy soup topping, or Combine them with flax, chia, or sesame seeds for a nutrient-dense mix. And yes, I do have a favorite brand. Super Seeds makes a clean, high-quality pumpkin seed that tastes great and works well in recipes. I've got more information and links on our blog post. Safety and cautions. One of the most important points, no medical journal studies show an increased risk of cancer from pumpkin seeds. They're generally safe, nutrient-dense, and supportive of metabolic health. The only caution is for individuals who need to monitor calories because seeds are calorie-dense. But for most people, the benefits far outweigh the concerns. Pumpkin seeds are one of the simplest, most accessible, and most evidence-supported foods you can add to your anti-cancer nutrition plan. If you want the full research breakdown, including all the cancer types studied and my recommended brands, comment or message pumpkin. And if you want deeper guidance on anti-cancer nutrition, metabolic strategies, or personalized coaching, visit the Prevail Over Cancer Learning Center or the Cancer Coaching page. And check out our weekly Prevail Over Cancer podcast. Together, we prevail over cancer.